Oh my word, I haven't filmed in such a long time. I don't have a tripod, I don't have lights, I'm holding this camera. It's back to the old days of when Kaylee and I used to have like a stick and like tape all our phones with the lights turned on. So starting all over again, gonna be getting lights soon. Josh is bringing my tripod over in March. Tripod. And sort of terrified to start filming again, but I tried vlogging the other day and I just got too anxious, and I'm just gonna jump right in and see how this goes today. Yes, looking wonderful. Still busy doing my makeup, but I thought I'd zoom you right in. Brow game looking strong, and I'm loving this blush, which is this Revolution palette, and this is the Hot Spice, and I used hold on, this duotone one. Do you guys see how much I need Kaylee in my life? Like, she's really the star behind this channel. Are we focused? Yes. Anyway, today I am just going into town. I gotta go to the bank, and I just thought I would do my makeup. I'm gonna use the Tati palette, and do you guys think I have enough bears? But yeah, I just thought I'd take you with me and do a little outfit of the day, and just try and kickstart this channel, because I haven't been on here in a really long time, and just sort of feeling a little bit nervous about coming back. But I keep having amazing ideas of things that I want to film, and then I just get too nervous because I don't know how to start up again. So we're just gonna start here and see how this goes. Alright, I'll be back in a minute to show you my makeup all done and my outfit of today. Okay, so this is my makeup for today, and I am loving this Tati palette and this Revolution blush, although now I'm looking at it, I'm feeling like I could definitely put on some more, but in person it's feeling like bam. And then I've just got a NYX clear gloss on. I still need to go do my hair. Nice little cupboard shot. Still working out the backdrop and everything. I'm still going to move houses twice while I'm here in the UK, so I haven't got the whole setup yet, but we're just going to jump in and start, and all the backdrops and the good, I wanted to say the good hearing, the good sound, the good lighting, all of that will come once I'm settled in. If I wait to start filming again when I've got my own place, when Josh is here in the UK and I'm feeling more settled, that'll be a million years. So we're just gonna jump in and do this. But I'm definitely gonna film a dedicated look on the Tati palette, but I just thought I'd show you while I was using it today, and I really love it. So this is the view from my bedroom. You can see the church over there, and then there's like a little graveyard over there. But I will take you walking with me when I go into town now. Okay guys, so this is my outfit of the day. Just got on a little beanie and a roll neck jumper, super comfy, little black bag from Primark, some tracksuit pants, still need to get a proper full length mirror, and for my shoes, let's just put it up here. I got these koi shoes with a little cat detailing on, white platform sneakers, and I'm just really into like the comfy, like oversized, you know, chill vibes. Okay, so this is where I stay now. This little garden at the front, little garage, I rode this car, and then there's a big garden at the back. And I'm just gonna take you walking through the town with me. I just thought I would do a little chit chat, walk through the town. So yeah, I live in the UK now with my parents and my brother, and my husband Josh is doing a spouse visa at the moment, so he'll be here by about June. And basically why we decided to move over. Getting a little workout. Haven't gymmed in forever because I've been ill. Side note. But look how pretty the town is where I stay. Basically why we decided to move over is because we want to have kids like within the next 2 years, and we wanted them to have more opportunities here. I'm not bashing South Africa for 1 second, like it is my home, it's where I grew up and I love it. But also Josh and I just wanted, lots of noise in the town today. Josh and I just wanted more travel opportunities. So living in the UK will give us lots of opportunities to travel into Europe and see things, and we just wanted an adventure. Someone's cutting down a tree and my arm is getting sore. Let's switch, hold on. Better. So yeah, basically quit my job, packed up the house. I have a British passport, so I could just move over. Got myself a teaching job, and I get my degree in June. Whoop, whoop. And I'm staying with my parents, and when Josh moves over then we'll get our own place, which I'm super excited, looking forward to, like redecorating a whole new house. And now we're about to walk into the high street where there's going to be a lot of cars and noise, so I don't see the point in vlogging or talking. I'll just take you with me and show you. But basically I live in Portishead now, and it's in the North Somerset, I think, so it's about 2 hours from London, and it's a really cute little town that has like lots of little coffee shops and like a Poundland and Home Bargains and all of that. And then Bristol is like 20 minutes away, where I can get like Superdrug and Primark and Lush and all of the nice shops that I like. So, and I'm just going into the bank today. I need to do all these admin things moving into the UK, and change my name to Greenberg because I'm a married girl. I can't say girl. I'm always going to be girl. Like a brand here, Nasty Gal, I can't pull that off. So I'm just going to go to the bank, change my name on my card. I've had to do so many things since moving here, like change my British passport, sign up for their national insurance, like just so much admin things. I got my British driving license, so don't know how I feel about driving here though. In South Africa they have like 4 exits in a roundabout. Here it feels like there's 27, and I'm just going to be in all the wrong lanes, so I'm quite enjoying my parents driving me around for now, but got to get on it soon. And yeah, got to get a car eventually, but right now I'm just having an enjoyable walk through the town, knowing that I can walk here. Like, I feel like there's so many more like pavements and sidewalks and things are set up in Europe to ride your bikes and to walk, which is really cool. And I will see you now. There's the church over there. It's always like a good little, I wanted to say bookmark, but that's not the word, like hidden location, or what's it called, landmark. That's the one. Why can I not English? It's always a good landmark for me to know if I'm walking back from somewhere that I'm heading in that direction. I love all the pubs here. They're like little old stone cottage house type vibes. Here's the little butcher. My dad started doing biltong business here, making his own biltong, which, you know, the vegetarian in me loves. He loves to show me his little meat drying rack. Little flower shop. And then over here on the right is the plough, and I have to tell you a story about that. So we came to the plough for New Year's amongst a few other places, and they're like, it's £5 to get in, and we're like, okay. And like, no, there's a buffet as well, and it was like pad course, like typical South African pad course, where it's like all wrapped up little sandwiches, and we're like, really, is this what we are paying for now? Little wrapped up sandwiches, and like half naked old men dancing to ABBA, and very different, interesting New Year's. Side note. So this town in December is really cute because it has Christmas lights absolutely everywhere around the town, and this town's also known for its flowers, which is called Portishead in Bloom. Literally flowers everywhere. This is one of my favorite coffee shops, Imperial Lounge. And here's my pharmacy on the right. There's no such thing as like a little discount where it's a little mall where everything is inside. Everything's sort of a long street. And something I find really funny about the UK here is that so little zebra crossings, like if you want to walk across it, there is it's a little, I always want to say pelican, flamingo for Kyla. Yeah, whenever you walk up to a zebra crossing to cross it, cars like slam on brakes for you to cross. Like, people here don't even wait to walk, they just see a zebra crossing and they walk because everyone just stops for you, which is super funny. Come to give me a cuddle. Okay, so I realized that I never ended off the previous video. Yes, hello. Picasso's dog trying to eat my camera string. Hey, what's that? What's that? So I realized that I never ended off the last video. Here I am, I just woke up. So beautiful. So I thought I would just end off this video, seeing as I was telling you about the things that I've been up to in our town. I thought I would end the video showing you what I've been doing lately, which is getting back to my love of drawing. I've been doing a lot of drawing. I'm just loving it, doing like, look at Picasso. You just can't stand it when you're not the center of attention. I know, just like me. Okay, so I'm just using this De La Rowney, not sure how you say it, acid free paper, which a friend recommended to me when she does the most amazing drawings, and I was asking her what type of book to buy, and she recommended this. So I'll just have a quick scan through what I've been doing. We all know I'm obsessed with bears, if you haven't seen from my setup. Also, some of these are my original designs, some of them are images that I've got from Pinterest, and then some of them I got from Pinterest and then I just changed up like an element in the picture. I've been loving doing single line drawings. I've never done them before, so I've been trying my hand at that. My little Picasso, not obsessed at all. This one is funny. I tried drawing Josh from this picture of him at the cricket and it doesn't come out like him at all, but anyway, still cute. And then my friend wanted me to draw her a tattoo that she wanted, so that was the first draft. Haven't completed that one. And then this was the final draft. I've been loving this style of drawing. I don't know what it's called because I've been trying to search for images on Pinterest. It's like grunge, I guess. Josh calls it dramatic drawing, but I just love it. And then I sent him this one. I'm like, look, I can do things that aren't dramatic as well. I mean, sort of, it's a bunny wearing a waistcoat, but sure. And that is the drawings that I've been doing. If you like this type of thing, then let me know and I will maybe do a designated? I don't know if that's a word. I'll do a specific video on that. I know it's been a really long time since I filmed, and the quality will get better once I have lights and all of those types of things, but thank you for watching.
And please give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe, and we will see you on the next video, which is something super exciting. I am going to be doing a clothing haul and talking about all the things that I've bought in the UK. I'm just loving online shopping. So I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.